Hey, what's up guys, it's me Juan Pablo. We're here at First Ave, right?
Yes sir, First Ave.
First Ave, this is a flip, a potential flip that we're going to embark upon, right? The purchase price is around
48, 47, 48.
Repairs, maybe 50,
like
more
50
or less.
repairs.
So 98,000 in total.
You all in?
An ARV, conservative
150, 170 conservative.
So that pretty much meets our flip money formula, right? So that's what we're going to go about doing. But before we get into the building, what we like to do is check out the exterior. See, the roof needs to be replaced, the siding, all the yard work needs to be redone. Yeah. Check to see if there's any cracks in the foundation. The foundation looks good. Yeah. And we also see what the competition around here looks like.
Take a look down there, man. You can see all these homes. They already fixed up. Just lets you know the area is turning.
It's a beautiful tree too, ain't it?
Yeah. Stuff that you can keep even down this way. So this is where you want to be.
So we're just about to check out this flip. So stay tuned as we go in the exterior or in the interior. Peace. See, when you walk into this property, right, and it's raining here in Georgia, there's a lot of mud, a lot of red clay. You can't be walking out here with some steppers on, man. You can't be walking out on these flips with these shoes. These shoes cost money, so you had to back up. It's not gonna be fresh, because I can't be messing these shoes up. This is for the videos. This is for the real work, so we about to get to work in a minute. See you in a few. You see my clipboard, right? We about to crunch some numbers, do some inspections, and get this money. I know, it's rough out here in these streets.
You didn't tell me.
I ain't get the memo either.
Damn.
And as you can tell, it's a full renovation needed. ARV is projected to be about 150, and we're getting it for about 100, including the purchase price and the rehab. We're gonna use hard money to finance it. So what we're gonna do is meet with the guys who's selling us the property, wholesaling to us. They got my trusted clipboard, old school style, and look at the numbers. So we were talking about earlier, Todd, you said you didn't get it, about estimating repair value, like that quick and dirty way.
Right.
So normally take the square footage, 2,000 times 45 dollars per square foot. That's about 90,000 rehab.
About right.
You already said about 72, but just
yeah, you could argue that mid 70 mark for sure. And I mean, even some people have rule of thumbs, just allocating a range per bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. 5 to 7, a smaller bedroom, 12 to 15 kitchen.
2,500 per bathroom, 5,000 per bedroom.
Bingo.
Or bedrooms.
So I kind of, personally, I use a metric of square footage and then bedroom, bathroom, and find myself, find a median.
So what would you recommend? Keep it as a duplex or make it a single?
Single. What do we calculate as rental income both sides? 8 something each?
850.
So there you go, you get 1,700. To be all in, whatever you'll be all in, under that 170 mark, and like 1% rule, that even makes sense.
1% rule is 1% of the purchase price should be equal to, the purchase price should be equal to 1% of the gross rent that you receive per month. You said the ARV for this one is
we had 150, and that's reducing off the 210s just because of size.
All the way down.
Yeah. So the truth of the matter, man, a lot of it, your product plays on what you can call. So at 150, I make it better than 165 with the right product finishes. And what I also always do, look, feel, drive the comps, seeing what product they have out there that puts their 210. Man, this is the most I know it from
the best time to buy,
and I know. So truthfully, man, you'd almost be looking at what's not a low bearing wall, which you can take down and open up this.
2 bedrooms?
Yeah, with a second bath, and that's the Jacksonville. Yeah, make a reference to earlier. So this would be like a third bedroom, pretty much.
Yeah. And the seller told us that other room over there was added on.
Oh, over there?
The one that's directly across to that back deck. And these you get as well. I don't know what you may have in mind, but my thinking, you got this huge backyard. These are old and decapitated old storage houses. That comes with this sale. So that was good too when we spoke with that seller about that, because you can tear this down open up that backyard, you can do what you want. Most client preferences is they just want to have options. If they want to build back, if they want to build, they'll pop the top. They got options. You can see what's going on this street when y'all go back out as well. But let's kind of give you some ideas of what the homes look like.
West Reed's tax record, Hateville or Atlanta, Hateville does get slightly higher value. But like in the comps, you'll notice. So anyway, the ARV that I project, you know, is having Hateville in mind because it's within a mile, really within a half mile. So it makes sense from that metric. But just knowing historic Hateville, it's that whole like west and west view, down the street from each other, but not the exact same dollar for dollar value. So I mean, I feel like the ARV we have is with a good conservative cushion off of what the Hateville higher ends, you know, pulling. So
yeah, pretty much it's a full rehab, guys. We did a quick walkthrough. Everything from the roof down to the floor needs to be completely renovated. The utilities need to be installed. I mean, the meters, for example, furnaces, the HVAC, in other words. Pretty much everything's an overhaul. I wouldn't do no major rehab. I wouldn't add no addition to it. But the first thing you want to do again started is to make sure you got your paperwork straight. What I mean by that, get your permits and your drawings. First thing, when you close on a flip like this for rehab, that's the first thing you want to do is get your paperwork in order. Spend the first month of the rehab process getting those permits situated, get those meters installed in. Then after that, then you can start building the empire. All right, then you can start building this house, changing the demolition, getting the supplies, the whole 9 yards. All right, so we're gonna walk around to the front so you get a frontal view. It seems like a good deal. So what we're doing right now, just in the streets. We're in South Atlanta. Our office is in South Atlanta. It's only natural we start flipping some properties in this area, in the upcoming area, and we look forward to making some money in the future. All right, see you soon. Peace.